The ongoing criminal investigation into efforts by Donald Trump and his allies to overturn the 2020 election in Georgia has taken a new turn with the acceptance of immunity deals by at least 8 of the Republican, fake electors. According to a court filing, Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis offered immunity deals to several Republicans who served as pro-Trump electors, and they accepted. This move could offer insights into a key prong of Willis's sprawling investigation into election interference and the attempts to put forward alternate slates of electors to block the certification of the 2020 presidential vote, and the role Trump's allies played in organizing the effort. The use of the term, fake electors, refers to a group of Republicans who gathered at the Georgia state capitol in December 2020 to cast their own electoral votes for Trump, despite the fact that President Joe Biden had won the state's popular vote. The move was part of a broader effort by Trump and his allies to overturn the election results in several key swing states. In Georgia, the effort failed, and Biden's victory was certified by the state. Willis's investigation into the matter has been ongoing for several months, with the district attorney sending letters to at least a dozen people involved in the efforts to overturn the election, including Georgia Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger, who was pressured by Trump to find enough votes to overturn the results. The investigation is focused on potential charges of election interference, conspiracy, and other related crimes. The acceptance of immunity deals by some of the Republican, fake electors, could provide crucial information to the investigation. It is unclear at this time what kind of information the cooperators may provide, but they could shed light on the role that Trump and his allies played in organizing the efforts to overturn the election results in Georgia and other states. The involvement of Trump's allies in the effort has been the subject of much speculation and scrutiny, with some alleging that the former president himself was involved in the planning and execution of the campaign to overturn the election. The fact that some of the fake electors have accepted immunity deals is not surprising, given that several of them have been under investigation for their role in the matter. However, the development is significant in that it suggests that the investigation is progressing and that there may be more revelations to come. It also indicates that the district attorney's office is willing to offer deals in exchange for information, which could encourage others who may have been involved in the effort to come forward and cooperate with the investigation. The investigation into the efforts to overturn the 2020 election has been controversial and politically charged, with many Republicans alleging that it is part of a partisan effort to target Trump and his allies. However, the district attorney's office has maintained that the investigation is focused solely on the facts and the law, and that it will follow the evidence wherever it leads. The announcement by Willis that she plans to make an announcement on possible charges against Trump or his allies between July 11 and September 1 has added to the speculation and anticipation surrounding the investigation. It remains to be seen what kind of charges, if any, will be filed, but the fact that Willis has set a deadline for her announcement suggests that she is nearing the end of her investigation and that there may be significant developments in the coming weeks. Overall, the acceptance of immunity deals by some of the Republican, fake electors, in Georgia is a significant development in the ongoing investigation into efforts to overturn the 2020 election. The cooperators could provide crucial information to the investigation and shed light on the role that Trump and his allies played in the effort. It remains to be seen what kind of charges, if any, will be filed, but the fact that the investigation is progressing and that Willis has set a